Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. I'm a ketogenic lifestyle coach and school psychologist here to enhance and support you in your keto journey. And today's subject is the one that's most crucial in terms of success with keto, and that is educating your friends and family and gaining support for your keto journey from your inner circle. You know, starting on the ketogenic lifestyle and diet is a transformative experience. It requires dedication, planning, and a significant shift in your eating patterns. However, one of the most challenging aspects of sticking to a keto diet isn't the diet itself. It's navigating the reactions and misunderstandings of friends and family. Whether you're already living the keto lifestyle or just considering it, educating those around you can be crucial in gaining their support. This video will explore why and how to bring your loved ones on board with your keto journey. Now let's talk about why educating friends and family is important. When you adopt the keto diet and lifestyle, you're likely to encounter questions, concerns, and even skepticism from those around you. Friends and family may not understand why you've decided to cut out bread, pasta, and other carb-heavy foods. They might worry about the health implications or feel left out during social events where food is central. By taking the time to educate them about your lifestyle, you can alleviate their concerns, clear up misconceptions, and foster a supportive environment that helps you to stay on track. Now, let's speak about how to educate your loved ones. Number one, start with the basics. Not everyone is familiar with the ketogenic diet and lifestyle, so begin by explaining the fundamentals. Describe how keto focuses on high fat, moderate protein, and low carbohydrate intake to shift your body into a state of ketosis where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Highlight the potential benefits such as weight loss, improved energy levels, and better blood sugar control. Make sure to address any misconceptions people have, like the idea that keto is all about eating just eggs and bacon and butter. Number two, share your reasons. People are more likely to support your choices if they understand your motivations. Share your personal reasons for adopting the keto lifestyle, whether it's to lose weight, manage a health condition, increase energy, or simply feel better overall. When your loved ones see how important this change is to you, they are more likely to respect and support your decision. Number three, provide evidence. If your friends and family are skeptical, providing them with credible evidence and information can help. Share articles, books, or documentaries that explain the science behind the keto diet. You might also mention success stories from people who have experienced significant health improvements by following keto. However, it's important to do this in a non-confrontational manner. Your goal is to inform, not to argue. Number four, involve them in the process. One of the best ways to gain support is to involve your loved ones in your journey. Invite them to try a keto-friendly meal with you or ask their help in finding recipes that everyone can enjoy. When they see that keto food can be both delicious and satisfying, they may become more open to your lifestyle. Number 5, be patient and open to questions. Changing how you eat can be confusing for others around you, especially if they're used to a different way of eating. Be patient with their questions and concerns. Encourage open dialogue and let them know that you're happy to explain things further if needed. Remember, education is a process, and it may take some time for those around you to fully understand and accept your choices. Now, dealing with social situations. Social gatherings can be especially challenging when you're on a keto diet. Whether it's a family dinner or a night out with friends, the pressure to conform to the group can be strong. Here are a few tips to help you navigate these situations. Number 1, communicate ahead of time. If you're going to a gathering where food will be served, talk to the host in advance. Explain your dietary restrictions and offer to bring a keto-friendly dish that everyone can enjoy. Number 2, be confident in your choices. It's important to stay confident in your decision to follow the keto lifestyle, even if others don't understand it. Politely decline foods that don't fit your diet and don't feel the need to justify your choices in the moment. Number 3, seek support from like-minded communities. If you're finding it difficult to get support from those around you, consider joining online keto communities where you can connect with others who share your goals and challenges. Now, in conclusion, educating your friends and family about the ketogenic lifestyle is a very important and essential step in gaining their support. By sharing your knowledge, involving them in your journey, and being patient with their concerns, you can create a positive and supportive environment that helps you to succeed. Remember, the more those around you understand your lifestyle, the more likely they are to offer the encouragement and understanding you need to thrive on your keto journey. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video. I would be truly honored if you chose to subscribe to my keto channel on YouTube, and I appreciate you so much for doing that. Thank you so much. Again, this has been Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida, and we'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.